And this is really something pretty simple here, but fractions multiplying by whole numbers. Let me show you the example. For example, if you have 2/3 of 4, 2/3 times 4. It's probably not the most logical thing because I see kids sometimes multiply the 2 times 4 and then the 3 times 4. That's not really what you do. Okay, what you have to do is this. Put your little asterisk star here. You have to make the whole number a fraction by doing what? How do we make whole numbers fractions? Somebody help me out here, Alex?
Dividing them?
No, I want to make 4 a fraction. There's no division there. It's really a simple thing there. Logan?
Borrow from.
Nope, don't have to borrow here either. I want to make the number 4 a fraction. Okay, you just want to make it a fraction. Some number over some number. Mia? Not 4 over 4, that's 1. 4 over 4 is 1, but 4 over, Maggie? By putting the whole number over, Sammy? There you go. 1. Whatever the whole number is, you just make it a fraction by putting it over 1. 4 is the exact same thing as 4 over 1. Any whole number, 6, 6 over 1, 12, 12 over 1, 20, 20 over 1, whatever it is. And then you can multiply it like you normally multiply fractions. How do we multiply fractions? You just, Brooke-Kala, how do I multiply fractions? I just multiply across. Tops with tops, bottoms with bottoms. So this is going to end up being 8 over 3. And then can I leave it as 8 over 3?
No.
No. What has to happen here, Alex?
You have to take the 8 and subtract 5 and get 1 of that or 2.
You have to divide.
Yeah, it's a division problem. I think Alex was saying that, but whatever. How many times is 3 going to 8? 2 times. That gives you 6. What's left over? 2. So it's 2 and 2/3. Are you with me on that? Do I have to do it out as a division problem? 3 into 8 goes 2 whole times. And you're left with a remainder of 2, and that remainder goes in there. By the way, kids, that's what you do when the book will ask you something like this. What is 3/5 of, I don't know, 10? What is 3/5 of 10? The word of, ladies and gentlemen, in math, Ryan, is always multiplication. And then you're going to have to change 10 into a fraction by doing what to it? Putting it over 1. It's always the whole number over 1 to make the fraction. Don't put the whole number over itself because that changes it from 10 to 10 over 10, which is 1. Okay? So then you can multiply across. 3 times 10 is 30, and 5 times 1 is 5. 5 goes into 30 6 times. 3/5 of 10 is 6. What is 1/5 of 6? Write down for me. I'll give you a chance to do that problem on your own. What is 1/5 of 6? 1/5 of 6. I was going to tell you as 5th graders, and you're in the basketball world, children, you guys, both boys and girls, you have the potential to be very good basketball players by the time you're in 8th grade. Just throwing that out at you. Because, you know, I see the best that Illinois has to offer in boys basketball and girls basketball. takes a little bit of work, dedication, devotion, off-season training. 365 days a year times 8 hours a day. Just throwing that at you. Just in a word of encouragement. 1/5 of 6 is what, Caleb?
1 and 1/5.
Correct, because you changed of to times. 1/5 times 6/1. Multiply across, you get 6/5, and then changing this improper fraction to a mixed number, 1 and 1/5. Stop me if you have any questions on that. Sammy?